get into this video, okay? This is gonna be short and simple, okay? This is what I had to do to re-download TikTok, okay? So what you're gonna want to do, okay, is go to this website, sideloadly.io. I'm sorry if you're like if you don't like have like a computer, you know what I'm saying? So you scroll down, download Sideloadly, okay? Or you download macOS or Windows, okay? Once you download the app, you make sure you like really open it and verify that you downloaded it, okay? Make sure it opens, okay? And then you want to take your ass over to ipa.ken.teo. I'll leave a link to every single link I'm like showing you guys, okay? So, and then you're gonna want to press on download, and then it takes you to this page right here, and then you press download IPA, and then it starts to load. It's getting a download link, okay? And then you press download now, and then it's gonna say click here to continue. Press I'm not a robot, click here to continue again, and then give it 15 seconds. It'll give you a link, okay? My bad. Taking a little while. Get a link, okay? Boom. It gives you this stupid ass pop-up. Exit out of it, okay? Press the X, and then it starts to download, see? But I'm not gonna re-download it because there's no fucking point. So, and then I take my ass over to the app. I press right here. So I press on like the little section where you put the IPA. You double tap on the IPA, puts it into the thing, and then you plug in your phone with like a charger, and you connect it to your PC. And here, hold on. Let me plug in my phone real quick so I can show you guys. Oh shit, I'm tweaking. Hold on. I'll probably cut this out. Plug in the phone, okay? See that? I get the charging, and my phone's right here. Okay? And then don't even worry about advanced. And also you need to make sure you put in your Apple ID. I'm gonna blur this shit out because I don't want you niggas to know my Apple ID. You know what I'm saying? Little hackers. So, and then you press start, and then it starts to download to your phone. And whenever that happens and it's done, just open the app and go straight to the try to log in with your phone number, and it'll say it failed, but it initially like the app still has all your TikTok data, so it's fine. It like re-logs you in even if it said it failed. So yeah, and I'm over here just chilling on TikTok. Like, you hear this, bro? Like, all these videos, just chilling, bro. And this is a hacked version of TikTok, so there are new like things going on in it. Like, there's a little pop-up, it's arrow in the top right. It says download menu and shit. So you can download the video without having a watermark. You can literally steal people's videos. But I don't suggest that because it's kind of fucking gay. But that's the end of the video. I told you, short and simple. You know what I'm saying? Short and simple, bro. If it don't work, let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? I doubt this is gonna fucking go viral because I doubt it. You know. All right. See ya.